Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to add world clock to home screen. On iPhone iOS 18. Let's go. Having a world clock on your home screen can be convenient if you frequently need to keep track of time zones in different parts of the world. First of all, touch and hold an empty space on your home screen. After that, tap on the Edit button at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap Add Widget. Now tap on the search bar at the top and type in clock. Select it from the search results. What you want to do next is swipe left until you see the world clock option. There are two different styles of the world clock. The first style is a square, and the second style is a rectangle. Select the style you like. Then tap on the Add Widget button at the bottom. This will add the world clock widget to your home screen. Tap Done to exit the edit mode. Now you can customize it by selecting which cities or time zones you want to display. To do that, touch and hold the world clock widget. Then tap Edit Widget. Then tap on any city, and then choose a different city from this list. You can also rearrange these according to your preference. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.